Hi, today I wanted to give us a good overview of slope-intercept form. So what is slope-intercept form? Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Now, this right here, that's y, is also known as your y variable, your y value. That could also be called your output. Okay. Now, m is slope. We talked about slope yesterday, so I feel like you should have a really good idea of what slope is and how to use it. And then x is your independent variable. It is also called your x value, and it is also called your input. This plus b, this is your y-intercept. Now you have to think about, what is a y-intercept? Well, a y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So one of the things that you need to be able to do is to be able to identify the pieces of slope-intercept form given an equation. So right here you're given this function y equals 1/2 times x plus 7. Your slope is 1/2. So your slope is right here. And then your b value is where it crosses the y-axis, where it intersects the y-axis. So that is at 7. Okay. Now, this next one is pretty similar, but I really want you have to be able to know the pieces of a slope-intercept form. So y equals 4x minus 3. Well, m is the slope, and m equals 4. So, and then your b value, your y-intercept, equals -3. Okay, so the next one is slope-intercept form from standard form. And I want you to be able to see that standard form equations can be changed to slope-intercept using solutions steps. Both represent the same linear function. Okay, so standard form looks like this. Ax plus by equals c. Okay, so right here I want you to be able to change from standard form to slope-intercept form. So to be able to do that, you're just going to be solving for y. This is where, whenever you're solving equations, if you were having trouble with solving equations before, you really need to do some more practice on that. And just come to me and ask me how to do that. You come to tutorials, please just come ask me how to do that. So from here, you're going to subtract 2x on both sides. So you're going to have 3y equals -2x plus 15. Then to be able to get y alone, you need to divide everything by 3. From here, you're going to have y equals -2/3 x plus 5. Okay, so right here, this one is in standard form, and this is in slope-intercept form. Now, both of these graphed look the exact same. They are both represent the same linear function. Okay, I do want us, we're not going to cover this one right now. We're going to do this later, but we are going to do this real soon. It's parallel and perpendicular lines. Now, I do want to look at graphing. The slope-intercept equation can be used to graph the linear function. This is the I want this in slope-intercept form because it's the easiest to graph. Okay, so if we take this equation right here, what you do is you first put a point at the y-intercept, and then you use the rise over run. So you're going to put a point at 0.5, and then you go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, and then the same way. And then you connect your dots, because that is, when it has an equal sign, that means that it is equal to all of those points, which means it is a continuous function. Okay, I hope this helps, and be ready to be doing slope-intercept form when you come back on Monday. Bye.